guys, welcome back to our channel and welcome to this video. This is, I believe, the first video for 2023 that's actually a video, not like a short. And yeah, I'm really excited to do this one for you guys because it's a Sephora, Marshalls, Ross haul. I think it's Ross, yeah. And we got some good deals. One thing has already been opened because it's for me and Elizabeth to share, and they're just hair clips, but she wanted to wear one already, so instead of there being 6 in the package, there are 5, but we did get 6. So yeah, let's get into it. So I have everything in my little Sephora bag, but like I said, please remember it's not all from Sephora. So I guess we'll start with Ross first. I got this Coors Banquet baseball cap to wear when I go to work. Just, you know, something that can go casually with like a white t-shirt, dress it up with this, you know, that type of thing. Yeah, nothing too crazy. And this was $8.99. I did already take the tags off. I don't know why I took them off before showing you guys. But it was $8.99. Not a bad price. And it's nice because if it's like clothing or like a hat, they don't tax it because here in PA at least, clothing and like food aren't taxed, I believe. Yeah, I don't think clothing is taxable. I have to look into the clothing taxable thing. Not sure. We'll figure it out, but don't hold me to that, I guess. So now we'll start with our Marshalls. What we got at Marshalls. I got these Meet Me in Miami 6-pack nail files. They're so cute and so summery. Definitely my style. They were $3.99, as you can see. I love shopping at Ross and Marshalls, and I guess I kind of shop at Home Goods occasionally, but like, oh, TJ Maxx is good too, but I know Ross and Marshalls usually have really good deals. So I definitely needed these for my nails. My nails aren't currently done, but I'm going to do them this week for Easter. So those were a must have. And then, like I said, I already opened these, but these are the little hair clips that I got for Elizabeth and I. As you can see, there's one missing, but yeah, I mainly got them for myself to do my makeup with. They're kind of like the ones that I currently have that I got for Christmas. These cute little ones that Dawson got me. So she's gonna get 3 and I'm gonna get 3. Hers are mainly for style, to keep her bangs, like her hair is not long enough that I'm ready to cut it, so we've been doing hair clips and hair ties, but they don't always stay in. So, and the nice thing about these ones, they were $4.99 at Marshalls, and they are flat clip and base design that are perfect for accenting cute hairstyles or setting the front of your hair with no flyaways, dents, or creases. Use on bangs or fringe, set waves and hairstyles. Use on all types of hairs, length, and textures. And it includes 6 cute and stylish clips. So they were definitely worth the $4.99 in my opinion. And then my friend Grace was with me, and I love the Belif products that you can get at Sephora. I don't know if you can get them at Ulta. I've only ever bought them from Sephora. But, sorry, there's some, like, I had to issue my foot. She found me this cute little travel size kit, which I'm going to use this summer as my travel skincare. This was $14.99. They did have another kit there that I was going to get. It was, I think it was $19.99, but I felt you got more in this one. So you get a mini Belif the True Cream Aqua Bomb, which I have 2 of the big ones right now that I use at home. Well, here. I'm using these when I'm traveling, like I said. And then I got the Belif Creamy Cleansing Foam Moist. Okay. For normal, I can't talk. For normal to dry skin, it's a skin conditioning agent. I have not used this yet, but I I'm glad that I got it because I do want to test it out, see if it's something I'm going to be wanting to purchase in the future. And then I got the Belif Hungarian Water Essence. It's an aqua-based formulation, increased hydration levels. Okay, so this you apply to your face and neck after cleansing and toning. So, is this like a moisturizer too? I'll have to look into this, but we got that. It's a really cute one. Oh, it's a little pump. So I'm gonna say it's some sort of like moisturizer. Then we got a cute little Belif eye balm, moisturizing eye balm. It's so cute. And I love their stuff because it smells, it doesn't have like a floral smell to it. It doesn't have like a medication smell to it. It has just like a clean smell to it. And I love that it applies to my face well and makes it feel good. And then we got the Belif Aqua Balm Sleeping Mask. Lock and seal in explosive hydration overnight. Intensely moisturizes for a dewy glow, which will definitely be good for me in the summertime because I don't like being dry, but I seem to be more dry in the wintertime, but I still want to be glowing in the summertime too. So there's that. And for $14.99 we got 5 products in this cute little case to go with it. It's got plants on it. I'm gonna stick these back in here. Like I said, I love the Belif the True Cream Aqua Balm. That's what I currently use at night for my nighttime moisturizer. So the rest is gonna be like, you know, finding out if I like it, because honestly I've been trying to find a new face wash. I did find one that I like, but I'm always up to see if I can find one that I really, really like. So there's that. And then lastly, from Marshalls, we went to Ulta, and I was like, I feel like I can find one at Marshalls. And of course, I took the freaking price tag off of this one as well. But I got a sculpting brush. They came in this little pack. The two that I was looking at Ulta, one was $7.99 and one was $10.99. And I got this one, which was like pretty much the two that I was looking at Ulta. They were the Real Technique, which I love the Real Technique brushes. Like, I had nothing against them, but I was just trying to save a little bit of money. So this is the ZoeVa, I think I'm saying that right, 109 Luxe Face Paint brush. It's in rose gold, and it's a sculpting brush. It's the flat one. Try to like let you guys see it. And then it also has like a little mandolin, I think I'm probably saying that wrong, design right there. Very light colored. But I got that for my contouring stick to help blend it out, because I've been using for the last year and a half for my contouring stick a beauty sponge, a small like beauty sponge, and it's just not working in my favor, like, at all. So alright, so this is, I wasn't gonna really show this in my haul because it came in the mail, but I don't know if you guys are, or anybody of you that are watching is familiar with the Dr. Ohhira's probiotic company. I think it ships from Essential Formulas. And Dawson and I got their probiotics to, one, help with his skin condition, and we both should be on probiotics too, because we're in our early 20s yet. We're not in our mid-20s. Not yet. And we both should probably be on them anyway, for not medical reasons, not like diseases or anything like that, but like his is a medical reason because of his skin condition, and mine just to help like regulate and keep me healthy and all that stuff. But we got free samples when we ordered from them, and I got a free sample of their beauty bar, which is the smaller version of this, and it promotes and maintains radiant looking skin. He also has a skin lotion, which you can use on your face and like other body parts as well. So I use this can be used on your body or your face. I mainly use it on my face since we got the sample, and that's what I've been using now. And honestly, I think my face looks pretty good. I do have a couple breakouts from my monthly visitor that comes, but it is what it is. Like, no matter what skincare I use, I'm probably gonna have a few breakouts from hormones. But you can use this both on your face and body. Okay, I'll give you a little like synopsis of what the back says. Ancient wisdom, modern beauty. Our mark, the Japanese character for beauty, embodies our desire to offer products that promote beauty from the inside out. This is true beauty achieved naturally. It encompasses both physical attributes along with personal character integrity. Dr. Ohira's probiotic kombucha beauty bar. I am so sorry if I'm mispronouncing that. I'm not good at pronouncing words. Merges the revitalizing power of natural ingredients, ancient Japanese formation skills, modern science to create a clarifying, balancing, and rejuvenating skin cleanser suitable for all ages and skin types. This exclusive formula, created by award-winning microbiologist, I am going to butcher his first name, so I'm just going to say his last name, Ohira, PhD, melds prebiotic, probiotic, and postbiotic nutrients to nurture a balanced external microbiome necessary to support healthy skin and radiant appearance. And the ingredients are sodium palmate and sodium cocaine from palm and coconut oils, okay? Probiotic extract, water, natural caramel, class 1. Natural cleansing, purpose is natural cleansing, encourage healthy microbiome, humectate, and natural color. Okay. Yeah. So this isn't sponsored, but if they do want to sponsor me, I will not complain. But this is what the packaging looks like. This is the little beauty bar. I'm not going to open it because I do have some of my sample left. So I'm going to leave it in the packaging, but this is what the packaging of it looks like to ship it. And then it does come with a like frequently asked questions sheet. So that's not really part of my shopping haul because I did order it online, but I did want to share it with you guys. That one to Sephora. Sorry, I had some stuff in the bag. Also, if anybody is wondering, the Sephora savings event. Okay, I don't know when it starts, but okay, so Sephora collection is 30% off, April 14th through April 24th. The Rogue 20% off is also good through April 14th through April 24th. The VIP 15% off is good through April 18th through April 24th. And the Insider is 10% off April 18th through the 24th. Yeah, so all offers end April 24th. So don't forget about the Sephora savings event. My friend and I are looking very much forward to that. So the first thing I got, and I believe the travel size is $18, is the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Advanced Clean Dry Shampoo. Actually cleans hair, softens and shines. This is a 83 milliliter bottle, in case anybody's wondering. But I like this one because it doesn't really have the floral scent to it. And the amount of dry shampoo I use, the travel size will last me a while. Because I do use it a lot, but I don't use it a lot to use it up enough to buy like the big container. So I got this one. I do have the original, which is like the gray, dark charcoal gray one. I do like it. I don't care for like the florally scent. This one has like a small scent to it, but it's not as like potent as this one. So definitely recommend this one if you don't like strong scents, I should say. And then for summer, I got, because like summertime I do like a light makeup. I don't do, okay, today I'm not doing I don't have a lot of makeup on at all. I just have mascara and my eyebrows, eyebrow gel on, and my skincare obviously, and my chapstick. But because I have breakouts, I kind of letting my skin breathe. But I got the Tarte Creaseless Concealer. I think this is the Amazonian Clay one. Maybe? I don't know. We'll open the box. But I'm in 13N Fair Light Neutral for this, like the late spring going into summer. I do a very light summer makeup, which I'll show you guys what I'll be using this year. I think I showed you guys last year. I am changing it up a little bit, but the little mini size will last me pretty much all summer. So I got that, and that one was $14. And yeah, that is that for my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. In the description, I'll try to put like where everything was from. Like I said, not like I said, but like just remember that like our Marshalls and Ross might not have the same thing as yours. Marshalls and Marshall. I'm having a terrible speaking day. Might not have the same stuff as your Ross and Marshalls. I need to slow down while I'm talking. So yeah, if you go looking for a Coors Banquet hat and your Ross doesn't have it, I am so sorry. But they do have other hats there, at least when we were there. So maybe yours will have more hats. So yeah, doesn't hurt to look. I know they all have great stuff and great things for whatever everybody is looking for. So I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thank you for watching this video, and make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe, turn on the notification bell to get notifications when we upload, and yeah, I hope you have a great day.